Hi, I'm Kristen, and this is Windmills of My Hair, and I'm looking off to the side because I'm just trying to do this with my iPad, and I'm not getting the hang of it. Hold on. So sometimes it's hard to tell if the hair needs protein or moisture, and the reason for that is because protein keeps it from breaking, and if your hair is super dry, it's going to break. So it's kind of like, that's why it's hard to tell sometimes. But you can pretty much rest assured that if your hair has this many processes on it, it is really dry. Look at that plant coming out of my head. I think that's great because today I'm talking about natural remedies for this dry hair. Yes, I have dry, frizzy hair from highlighting. So after I Googled it, as you can see, I found out that there's a lot of different recipes, and a lot of them contained mayonnaise. And I don't have mayonnaise in my house, and I don't even think I have oil. I know that my friend bought me like a panini maker, and like people know I don't super cook a lot. It's not that I don't like it, it's just that it's like a lot of prep work, and I don't know. But you don't have to cook to make an avocado mask. You do, however, have to have an avocado. So I'm going to ignore the fact that they want me to get mayonnaise, and I think I do have honey because I had this, I do like supplements, and I did get into that whole thing with the royal honey. I don't know, I had a phase where I was like, oh, this is doing wonders for me and my hair, and then I just kind of stopped buying it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So obviously I got highlighted, and it is super dry. I really like the job she did because this part was kind of like not blending with the bottom on purpose. So when it came time for me to want to change that style, I really needed somebody who could stand behind me and do the back, etc., etc. And I think it looks great when it's conditioned. So I am going to try this mask out. So I'm just gonna get in the kitchen and see what I have. I don't have eggs. Like I said, like these are things that I don't have. But the main ingredient is avocado, and if the avocado is what's supposed to be working, then I have that. Okay, so here I am in my kitchen, and I didn't have to look around, but I am gonna pull out this. Where is it? Oh, I have some yogurt. I do. I have this brown cow yogurt, and I have did I already take out the avocado? Oh, I already took it out. Okay, that sounds pretty good. I also have some Nancy's yogurt that's I never ate. Okay, so I am going to change up my ingredients. Is this foreboding? I hope not.
Okay, so now I'm going to change up my ingredients. My ingredients are going to include Nancy's plain yogurt and an avocado. Okay, I have to say that this is what I came up with. It's still a little chunky, but I don't think I mind because this is really a testament to just the avocado, because I really just put like a scoop of that, what was it, yogurt I used? Yeah. Ew. I'm only gonna do like, I don't really want to put this on a scalp. I don't know why. I don't want, I'm just gonna do these ends, okay? And yeah, I have to mush it right in there, but I kind of like that part because it's really just a testament to the avocado and the power of the avocado. So I am back with the comb. Let's see how this goes. Well, I want to show you the ends. Yes. So this is amazingly easy to comb out. The ends of my hair are not green, which is good. Avocado will not dye your hair. And I will be here for a minute. I think I'll blow dry it just to see. 'Cause this is amazing. It's there. If you notice, it's very easy to comb out, and it kind of rested itself, like it kind of relaxed itself. I don't want to say relaxed as in chemical relaxer, but as in the avocado melted some of the snarls. Ooh. So it's really impressing me. I love that the avocado melted the snarls, because this is the most easy it's ever been to comb. Yeah. Loving it. I love avocado now. Don't know if... Let's blow dry. So all I did was shampoo. I did no conditioner. And it's this easy to comb.
I love it. It's so much more tame, and it still has body. And I didn't even use conditioner. So yay. And I didn't use oil in the mixture. So I'm super happy with avocado. Please like and subscribe.